Hi guys, my name is Yash. I'm a CBA certified business analyst, and today we'll be continuing with our 73rd question of our BA interview series. So let's begin. What if the interview asks, how do you communicate with technical teams? I'll answer. I focus on providing clear and structured requirements using user stories, acceptance criteria, and process diagrams. In CraftCart, BPMN diagrams and functional documentation helped bridge communication between business expectations and technical implementation teams. So this is a very short, crisp and clear answer, but I would like to present a broad version of explanation. So as you can see, as a BA, I communicate with technical teams by providing clear, structured and detailed requirements. Okay, I usually use user stories, acceptance criteria, BPMN or process diagrams, functional requirements, and workflow documentation so developers clearly understand what needs to be implemented. When working with technical teams, I focus on explaining the business requirements clearly, breaking complex workflows into smaller steps, discussing edge cases and dependencies, clarifying acceptance criteria, ensuring both business and technical teams are aligned. I also encourage regular discussions with developer and QA teams to avoid misunderstandings during development. In my CraftCart project, BPMN diagrams and functional documentation help bridge communication between business expectation and technical implementation teams. For example, payment retry workflows, inventory reservation logic, and seller confirmation processes were explained using process diagrams and user stories so developers could clearly understand the expected system behavior. I also documented success scenarios, failure scenarios, retry conditions, and validation rules to ensure smooth implementation and testing. In agile projects, communication with technical teams is continuous. I actively participate in backlog grooming, sprint planning, stand-up meetings, and clarification sessions to support the development team throughout the sprint lifecycle. I communicate with technical teams using clear requirements, user stories, acceptance criteria, and process diagrams to ensure smooth implementation and alignment with business goals. So I hope you understand how a BA communicates with the technical team. The most important part is providing clear and structured requirements using user stories, acceptance criteria, and process diagrams. So in CraftCart, basically I've used BPMN diagrams, that is the as-is and to-be processes, and functional documentation to help bridge communication between business expectations and the technical implementation teams. So I hope you understand and learn something from it. Thank you so much for watching.